Hey crafters, welcome to my Cricut Designs page. So this is a design I am going to be using for my daughter's birthday shirt, and she chose Gracies Corner, and so I had to purchase this image from Etsy, and this is the image I'm gonna be using. And I had changed I had changed the outfit's color, but I decided I'm just gonna do it the way it is. So here we're gonna click on print and cut, and we're gonna click on continue or okay, whatever that is. And I am going to go ahead and pick the image. So as you can see on my screen, I have the same image in different colors. That's because I was changing things up because I wanted a certain color, but I did not have the time to put in more work for it. So if I do it that way, if I don't do more work to it, I am gonna end up when I'm cutting it's gonna end up cutting everything, including the eyes, the nose, and it's gonna be crazy. So I decided, you know what, I'm not gonna go that route. I'm just gonna leave the color the way it is and call it good. So I guess I'm gonna do another video on how you can change the color and all of that, because when you have SVG, you have a chance to change a lot of things for yourself. Like you can change the color, you can change you can change a lot with SVG. So I decided to just use the PNG, and you guys see the way I flipped the image was actually facing left. She was actually facing left, so I just clicked on flip to flip it to face right. So that was it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hide all those other images so they don't print out, because I'm ready to print. My daughter's birthday is in 15 minutes and your girl is running late. So here I am gonna go ahead and make it. So you see her name is in a different what they call it, a different mat. So I decided that her name and the number 4 is going to be in vinyl. So of course your girl is just filling up more images so that I don't waste that whole sheet. So number 4 is going to be glitter, and her name is gonna be in pink. So don't forget to mirror those vinyls. But for what they call it now, my Cricut is asking me to do some stuff, but whatever. So but for the print and cut, this DTV, you do not have to mirror. So I'm just gonna go in there to do some settings. First of all, before I forget, make sure you on your bleed on and your dialog box and the second option, so that way you can get this dialog box and change the quality to best. So that's all I was just doing. So now I am gonna let this print out, and I am gonna go ahead and cut the vinyl designs so that I don't waste no time, because I ain't got the time anyways. So just an FYI, when you are doing your print and cuts, be careful, because that thing can be wet. So when it prints out, make sure you don't mess with it, you don't put it on the mat, just let it dry out so that you don't get it smudged. So just give it a little bit of time before you mess with it. So because of that, I am going to just go ahead with the other vinyls. As you can tell, my daughter's name is gonna be in pink, and the number 4 is gonna be in glitter. So I am gonna go ahead and cut this. You want to make sure you mirror your image, and the cut settings that I'm gonna be using for this is gonna be everyday iron on. That's what I always use. I don't go for any other one but everyday iron on. So it's gonna be on my favorite tab, and I am gonna is it favorite or popular? And I'm gonna go ahead and click on everyday iron on. Boom. So I'm going to leave it on default pressure, and I am gonna go ahead and start prepping for the next one. So for my glitter viner, the number 4 is gonna be in glitter viner, and for my glitter viner, I am actually supposed to use cut settings as glitter iron on, but I forgot while I was doing it. You're gonna see I put it on everyday iron on as well. So glitter is very thick, so you want to make sure it is on everyday glitter iron on, and I usually go for more pressure, but for this I did not go for more pressure. So as you can tell, the pink is 100% cut, so oh well, it's cutting, and when it's done you're gonna see that it's gonna prompt me to unload the mat. But now it's time for my next binder, and which is going to be the glitter. Of course, I told you guys I did everyday iron on. It was supposed to be glitter iron on and more pressure. So excuse my background, it's birthday time and I got family members all over the place, so I'm just trying to get stuff done, so just ignore what you see around. And this is supposed to be, the heat press supposed to be for 310. And for 15 seconds. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press this. Alright. Well, this one is ready. Perfect. Perfect. Pre-pressed is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one together. I'm just gonna take what I need here, which is just one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I need masking paper or whatever it's called. I use this to measure what I need so I don't waste it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and weed this and just pick it. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, no issues. I'll be happy. Alright, that looks good to me. I'm going to bring you guys closer so you can really see what I'm doing. Alright, you guys can see it. I'm going to use this to pick. You can drop it. So this is the one I'm going to do first. And get out any bubbles. I do not want bubbles at all. Alright, that looks good to me. Came out real good. So I'm going to use my neck measurement if I can find it. There you go. And this is for the toddlers. I'm gonna use it and just make sure I place it correctly. Remember, the number 4 is coming, so I'm trying to give it some room. So now I'm gonna check it out. So for glitter, remember, I don't know if you guys know, but glitter is 320. This is better. See how full it's gonna be? There we go. This is what I was expecting. So put that there. Check the measurements. This is 3. Perfect. So this is perfect. I'm gonna do this now. For this DTV, I realized when I use this here, it comes out way better than when I use the Teflon sheets. Alright, so I'm happy everything's coming together now. So this number 4, I have to throw it away. Alright, this is better. See how beautiful it came out? This is a hot peel, I forgot to tell you guys, and I pressed it for 310 and for 15 seconds. So this is covering it. I can not really see it, so I'm gonna take it off. All right, better. We're gonna go like this. Number 4. Alright, let's do this again. Alright, you know what? While I'm waiting for that, I might as well just press this one as well. Get it. Oh my goodness, my hands are dirty and I'm getting this shirt stained. Glitter is supposed to be for 20 seconds and for 320. Alright, get this done. Alright guys, so I got it this way, so that's what I want. I want it to be big and bold. So now that is perfect. My hand is dirty, was dirty from my makeup on my face, so it's just getting on the shirt, so I had to go wash my hand, y'all. I'm like, are you freaking serious? All the shirt now is full of makeup. Can't stand myself right now. But there we go. So after this, I'm done. I'm gonna dress her up, and I'm excited. This is finally coming to an end. Whew. Now let me put all my stuff where they need to be, so I don't start looking for them after the party over. Alrighty. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and perfect. See how pretty this is? She came out so good. See that? This is how the shirts came out. You guys can see, and that's the name, my daughter's name. And you guys let me know what you think, if it came out good. All I ask for is a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this video, hit the like button so the other crafters can find this video helpful, and also hit the bell button so you can know each time I post a video. I gotta go, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video.